Joe from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Skoda Kodiaq here on a 2018 plate. That's what it looks like. If you've got something like this and you just had a service done and you want to reset it, as well as the inspection, I'll just show you how it's done. It is quite a simple procedure. All you got to do is get in the car first. Now, even though the inspection is not on, but I'm going to try to reset it. So that's the start stop button right there. So if I just start her up first. Right, I'm just gonna get it going. So start her up. I'm gonna show you that. You can see in there as well, all services due. But what you're gonna do on here, you can go into vehicle, go into settings, scroll down to service, and then you can see now the inspection is in 3,700 miles and the oil change service is due, way overdue. So go back menu, switch the ignition off, and then all I've got to do is press and hold this button right here and then switch the ignition on without starting it. Right, now that I've got a spare hand, so what I need to now do is press this button here, switch the ignition on. In the middle you'll see now oil reset. I let go of the button, press it again, that's done. I switch the ignition off, press and hold this button again. Now keep hold of it till the inspection comes up. Yeah, let go of the button, press it again. That's done now. So what I'm going to show you now is what I've done exactly. So if I start the car up, go into menu, go into vehicle, go to settings, and scroll right down to service. As you can see now, the inspection is done as well as the service. That's all you had to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.